Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front wheel bearing on Ford Focus. In order to get access to the front wheel bearing, we need to remove this bolt there. We also need to remove the brake caliper and the brake caliper support. In order to do that, we need to remove those two bolts, and also we need to remove the brake disc. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove that bolt holding the CV joint to the wheel hub. In order to replace the wheel bearing, we need to remove the whole wheel hub from the car, the whole wheel thing. First, we're going to remove the connector for the ABS sensor. Also, we need to remove that bolt for the shock absorber, and also the nut for the control arm and the tire dent. Now that the nut is removed, I'm going to hit it with the hammer a little bit so that I can remove the ball joint from the wheel hub. Next, I'm going to remove the CV joint from the wheel hub. Next, I'm going to remove the bolt holding the shock absorber to the wheel hub, and then afterwards I'm going to replace the wheel bearing. In order to remove this whole wheel hub from the shock absorber, I'm going to hit it with a hammer a little bit and it will come out. Next, we're going to replace the wheel bearing. To replace the wheel bearing, I'm going to use a hydraulic press. I'm going to push out the wheel bearing. This is exactly how I'm putting the whole wheel hub onto the hydraulic press, and I'm going to push the inner ring on the wheel bearing, and it will come out all the way. And that's the wheel bearing out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. This is the new wheel bearing that we're going to put on. Now to push in the new wheel bearing, first we're going to get a big ring that is the exact diameter as this thing right there, and we're going to put it on like that, and then we're going to put the wheel bearing on top and push it with the press. I'm putting on another ring on top of the wheel bearing, and now I'm going to push it in all the way. That's the wheel bearing pushed in all the way. Now we're going to put the whole wheel hub back on the car. Before putting on the whole wheel hub back on the car, first I'm going to use this tool just to spread where the shock absorber is sitting, so that I can make the hole bigger, and it will be much easier to put the shock absorber in there. The shock absorber is in almost all the way, but we need to hammer it a little bit and it will go in all the way. That's the shock absorber in all the way into the wheel hub. Now we're going to put on the bolt and tighten it. Next we're going to put the CV axle back on, then we're going to put the ball joint in its place and the tie rod end, and then we're done with replacing the wheel bearing. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.